Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back on the video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to what these wiper controls are on the MK6 Golf and how to use them and stuff. Okay, so first of all we'll start off with the easy one. So the wiper thing is on the right, so all the wiper controls are on the right. So if you pull it towards you, it will clean your screen, and if you have a headlight washer, it will do the headlight wash every 5 times you press that. So say you press it 5 times, it'll do it again. If you press another 5 times, it'll do it again. But if you don't want it to spray the headlight washer, you just put it into this light instead of auto. If you leave on auto, it will spray it the first time. But if you don't want it to spray the headlights, then just do that, because it wastes quite a lot. So yeah, okay. So now I've showed you how to spray your screen. Now I'll show you what the controls are. So to wipe once, you press it down like that, so it'll wipe once for you. Okay, if you press it up once, that's auto wiper. So whatever the sensor thinks is right, it will wipe it at that speed. But I don't like that. It's not very good at the moment. It might be just my one, I don't know. But it doesn't wipe fast enough. Like, it doesn't figure it out fast enough. So I'm left with flutters on my screen. Okay, now if you press it up one more time, that's your slow wipe. Up one more time, next wipe. Up again, no, that's the fastest. We should not do this with a dry screen, which I am doing. Okay, now if you push it, instead of pulling will spray the screen, like I said. If you push it, do the back wipers for you, and you can hold it and it will do the back spray as well. Can you see? So if you hold that, it'll spray and wipe at the same time when you push it in. So that's all the wiper controls for the MK6 Golf. It's probably the same for the MK7. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. If you haven't checked out more of the car videos, go check them out. Goodbye guys.